Did you know that the poor disinfection can shorten the lifespan of your dental unit and even compromise your patient's safety? Let's prevent that together today. Hi guys, I'm Osmel from Simple&Smart, and we will show you the 3 key steps to clean your dental unit effectively. Cleaning the dental unit is crucial to ensure optimal functioning during the working days. But how and when to do it? Which cleaning products should be used? Let's see it together. The procedure for cleaning your dental unit are 3. How to clean the internal system, the suction system, and the surfaces. So let's start with the first one, the internal system. First of all, it is good to know that there are specific products designed for this cleaning and sanitation procedure. Our cleaning kit also includes this product. We're talking about the Vector from Dur. The procedure is very simple. Dilute the product with water inside the bottle of the dental chair. After activating the bottle and removing the handpieces from the cordons, it will be enough to provide water from the cordons until the solution is finished. We recommend to stop the procedure halfway through or allow the product to act inside of the tubes. Once the bottle is empty, just repeat the operation using only water for rinsing. Cleaning the internal system removes the microfilm from the pipes that supply water to the instruments. This prevents them jamming during operations and allows you always to operate with clean water. We recommend this procedure once a day after an intensive work, and in any case, at least once a week. Another important point is to clean the suction pipes. As with cleaning the internal system, we have specific products to do this operation, the Orotol by Dur. So, dilute the product in water in a bucket and aspirate it with the cannulas until the product is finished. Nothing more than that. This is a very simple and fast procedure. We recommend this procedure once a day after an intensive work, and in any case, at least once a week. This procedure is important to prevent blockages caused by blood or thick fluids. And here's an extra tip. After each patient, aspirate a glass of clean water. This small step protects the suction motor and extends its lifespan. And of course, this is very important, protect patients from contamination. Okay, we arrive to the last point, the clean of the external surfaces and the seat leather. We recommend products without alcohol, so as not to ruin leather and plastics. This kind of products can be purchased directly from us. Tecnoshield is ideal for daily cleaning. Its alcohol-free formula avoids cracks, yellowing, and hardening of the plastic surfaces, keeping your dental chair looking new for years. We also recommend spraying the product directly onto a cloth rather than the unit's surface. All surfaces of the dental chair can be disinfected in this way. The only points where more attention should be paid are the lamps, the control panel, and also the monitor. We also suggest a specific product to clean the seat leather, the AFD 360 by Dur. AFD 360 not only disinfects, but also nourishes the upholstery, preserving its flexibility and extending its lifespan. With these products, cleaning should be carried out daily. And that's it, guys. If you want to see the 3 dedicated videos of these procedures, check the link below in the description. For more information, contact us, don't forget to follow us, and hit the bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.